In this tutorial, I'll show you how to generate QR codes on Canva. By the end, you'll have a working QR code inserted into your Canva design and downloaded in the format you need. First, open Canva. If you're on the web, go to the Canva homepage and sign in if you're not already. You should see your recent designs and the Create a Design button. Next, open your design or create a new one. If you already have a layout prepared, click it to open. If not, click Create a Design, choose the size or template you want, and wait for the editor to load. You'll see your canvas in the center and the toolbar panels on the left. Now, click Apps on the left panel. This opens Canva's app directory in the sidebar. You'll see a search bar at the top and various integrations below. In the search box, type QR code. As you type, you'll see the QR code option appear in the results. Select the QR code generator. The app will open in the left sidebar with a simple field where you can add content for your QR code. Enter the URL or text you want the QR code to link to. If you're using a website, paste the full link, including https:// to make sure scanners open it correctly. If you're adding plain text, type it exactly as you want it to appear when scanned. Take a moment to check for typos here, because your QR code will point exactly to what you enter. Click Generate Code. Canva will process your input and create the QR code. You'll see the generated code appear in the app area. If it takes a second, that's normal. Just wait until the code renders fully. Drag and place the QR code onto your design. Click and hold the QR code in the sidebar. Then drag it over to your canvas and release. It will drop in as an image element that you can move around like any other object. Resize and position it as needed. Click the QR code on your canvas to select it, then drag the corner handles in or out to change the size while keeping it clear and scannable. Position it where it's easy to see, leaving a bit of white space around the edges so phones can read it reliably. You can use the alignment guides to place it consistently with your layout. When your QR code is in place and your design looks good, click Share in the top right, then choose Download. This opens the download panel with file type options. Choose PNG, JPG, or PDF. PNG is a good choice for high-quality images with transparency. JPG is a smaller file for web use, and PDF is best if you're printing documents, flyers, or posters. Pick the one that matches how you plan to use your design. If you're printing, a higher quality format like PNG or PDF will usually keep the QR code sharp. Finally, click Download. Canva will prepare your file and save it to your computer. If your browser prompts you to choose a location, select a folder you can easily access, then confirm. Your design will download with the QR code embedded exactly where you placed it. At this point, your QR code has been generated in Canva, added to your design, and downloaded in the format you selected. The setup is complete and ready to use. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.